Hello and welcome to how to download Natural Reader on your MacBook. So first things first, we have to go to the NaturalReaders website, which is going to be naturalreaders.com, and click, and it's going to bring you to their homepage. So at the top, in the middle-ish, there's going to be a button that says software. You're going to click the software, and it will take you to here. The next part is you're going to go over to the right that says free download. It's in a little blue box and you're going to click it. So it's going, once after you click that button, it's going to drop it down into the download section of your web page. And once that's all done, you're going to click it and it's going to open up this little pop-up window. So it's going to come up with your introduction. You're going to click continue. You're going to click whichever one. I don't think it should really matter, but it really depends on you where you want your gigabytes going, where you want some of your gigabytes to be lost when downloading. And then you're going to click next and then hit install. And then since this is for MacBook, you have to enter in your password or your thumbprint. And then it's going to start installing after doing that. After it's done installing, you're going to get this little, installation was successful, and hit that close button. You can move your installer if you want to the trash. I'm going to because you're not going to need it anymore. And then you're going to go to your Launchpad. And then it's going to pop up all your apps, and since it's the last app you downloaded, it's going to be at the very end. So mine is right here. You're going to click the app, and it's going to open up to this page right here. So there's two ways you can upload your documents. You can either go to your download section and then just drag your document that you want to read onto here, or you can, I had to close this to show you how to do it. Then you can just go to this little open documents section right here and click that, and then click open documents, and it's going to pop up with the little thing that you can look through your downloads or your desktop, whatever you need it to read, and just click one of them, and it will open up for you. So so after you've done this, you can hit that play button right here, and it's going to start reading it out to you. You can change the accent of the voice reader to something if you do not understand it, or you want to listen to it in a different accent. You can also change how fast the voice goes. It's slightly slow when it's only at when it's at 0, but you can increase it or decrease it if you feel like it's going too slow or going too fast. One of the beneficial things is you can also click this little convert to MP3 button, and it will take the reading and turn it into an MP3 player file, so you can listen to it either on your phone or on your Mac when you don't have to have this open. Okay, that is how you download Natural Reader onto your MacBook and some of the tools that comes along with it. Okay, have a good day.